Good morning. Happy post-Christmas. It's the 26th today. Recording on this video is the 26th. Yeah, so going to the mountains, as you saw, it is currently snowing, and it has been snowing for a couple days / raining. It should be about 3 to 4 inches up there. And on top of that, it's going to be snowing tomorrow and the rest of the week. So I got a little gap today of decent weather, high winds. So the deer should be up and moving because, you know, it's the first time in about a day and a half that they've actually had time to eat. And I heard somewhere that, you know, animals, or deer specifically, mostly birds actually, can they know when bad weather's coming. Something like a 7 cents or 8 cents, whatever. So I'm thinking they're gonna be able to move today. So taking the opportunity, gonna go check my trail camera. That's been up there for about 3 weeks. And yeah, let's get after it. 2 hours to go. See you up there. All right, we made it. It is 34 degrees out, windy as shit, and no snow. That sucks. I was hoping there'd snow because obviously for those hunters, for those of us that are hunters, or we know tracking is easier in the snow. For those of you who are just getting into hunting, know that snow is good. Like, you don't want like no 10 feet of snow, but you know, like I was expecting like a light dusting, maybe like an inch or two, and it'll be a good time to track these deer. But I saw like this much snow up towards like the highest part of this little road I'm on, and I dropped down elevation maybe like literally maybe 50 feet, and there's no snow. It's just wet and windy as shit. So we're gonna give it a second. Thank God I brought my rain jacket. I would have sucked. We're gonna give it a second, get situated, and start walking. Hopefully we see something. Hopefully the camera got something at least. That'll be a win. But see you guys out there. Yeah, it's crazy out there. It's absolutely crazy. So I'll put it on my base layers, my like my long johns, pretty much. Like, it's 34 degrees. The pants I'm wearing are fine for that, but the wind is cutting right through these. Good thing the Navy supplied me with this rain jacket, this parka, 100% Gore-Tex. So, and the cool thing about it is you could zip any other jacket underneath it into it. So I'll show you guys that maybe later, but it's crazy. It is crazy out here right now. Am I excited? Sure. Well, let's see how long that excitement lasts once I'm out there. But yeah, we'll put these base layers on. I actually made a video about these from Huntworth. It's your warmest base layer. Lord knows I'm gonna need it today, but yeah, a little delayed, it's okay. 6:30, sun's gonna be up in about 10 minutes. Really not worried about it. I honestly think the deer are hunkered down right now. But the wind's good, right? Wind's good. It'll cover my sound, but it's gonna be a wild one. Are you a fair weather hunter? Because clearly I'm not. All right, for real though, next time you see me, I'll be out there. Well, it's been a little crazy. This is a normal walking path. You know, this tree said, F your hike. Holy crap. It's been crazy up here like I was telling you guys, so. Man. All right. It's gnarly out here, y'all. Absolutely gnarly. We just checked the trail camera. Nothing crazy, much noise, no bugs, but actually some cool videos, which you'll be seeing here in a second. But yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna stay out here. Worried about what's this shit called? Downfall. Downfall, when the trees, much of a downfall. I think that's what it's called, when the trees are knocked down from the wind. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. So it's gonna go for a quick little walk, see if I can see anything just in the open. It looks like the sun's about to start coming out, so who knows, but maybe an hour. That's all I got up here, so keep you guys posted. It's hard for you to tell, but the rain's going sideways. We got about like 25-mile-per-hour winds right now, 25 to 30. Look pretty fresh to me. Look at that. Pretty fresh. Back in the car. Oh man, it was gnarly out there. All right, so some things. I'm overall dry, 95% dry. The only part of me that's wet is my freaking feet. These boots from Saleo, I'm 99.5% sure when I bought them, they said Gore-Tex and they said waterproof, right? Not at all. So my feet are wet, everything else is good. I'm not that cold either, so it was all right. It was just crazy windy out there. Yeah, I stayed for another, I don't know, 30 minutes maybe. I'm gonna start working my way back, but I'm gonna check the weather. I'm gonna see if this is gonna open up, and we'll go from there. And I'm gonna go to a different spot. I'm not gonna go back here, so. But I'll let you guys know what I end up doing. So as you see, it's gonna be a winter wonderland up here. So the 31st is the last day I could hunt. I've said this in numerous videos. Today's the 26th. Not ending it yet. It says the weather's supposed to clear up by 9. As well, let me rephrase that. The sun's supposed to come out by 9. They're still going to be maintaining like 20+ mile/hour winds. So there's a little breakfast spot in town. Might go get some food, get my belly full of warm food, and yeah, go from there. So that's it. All right, so we're in the new area. The breakfast spot was closed, so I just came here, walked into this area from a campground that's up here, so super convenient. Just found some super fresh scat. So I'm working really, really slow through this, and it's heavily wooded, so it's all about angles up here, you know. So keep your head up, don't worry about what you step on, and you know, just take it slow. Hopefully we see something. Well, looks like someone got a kill. All right, guys, hunt is over. Got a text message and a few phone calls from Chloe. Looks like our dog has had about 10 seizures this morning, so not a great day. But hey, this might be it. This might be the last hunting day of the year, so just wanted to say thank you. You know, thank you for everyone watching and sticking through. It's a fun year. Learned a lot. Saw a lot of new things. I got a buck, obviously, so that's the biggest one, the biggest accomplishment this year. So, but that's it. I'm gonna make a year in review video. We're gonna look at all the bucks that I've shot, or all the bucks that I've seen. And yeah, gonna have a good time. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace.